Every moment you breathe, your body performs more than 1 billion chemical reactions. Cells communicate, hormones travel, enzymes activate. And every single one of these processes depends on nutrients. In this video, we'll dive into the subtle signs your body sends when it's starving for nutrients and how to correct them naturally. You might think you're eating enough, but what your body needs could be missing. Every moment, your cells are talking with clues like fatigue, hair loss, or brain fog. If you've experienced any of these, stick around, this video is for you. Nutrients are substances found in the food you eat that your body uses for energy, growth, repair, and protection. Without them, life can't continue, not properly, not fully. There are two main groups of nutrients. Macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, these give you energy. And micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, these regulate how your body uses that energy. Think of your body as a symphony. Macronutrients are the instruments, but micronutrients are the musicians. Without them, there's sound, but no harmony. You might think nutrient deficiency only happens in poor or malnourished countries, but today, it's a global problem. We're living in a paradox. We have more food than ever, yet we're starving at a cellular level. Modern farming depletes the soil. Our fruits and vegetables grow faster, look larger, but contain fewer vitamins and minerals. According to studies, some crops today have up to 40% less nutrients than they did just 70 years ago. Then, there's processing. The moment food is refined, canned, fried, or sweetened, vitamins vanish. Add caffeine, alcohol, and stress, and you drain even more nutrients from your system. Every cup of coffee burns through magnesium. Every burst of stress uses up vitamin C. Every late night steals from your vitamin B reserves. Slowly, quietly, your body begins to run on empty. Deficiency doesn't always hit suddenly. It creeps in. First, you feel tired for no reason. Then your sleep worsens. Your skin dulls. Your hair weakens. You start craving sugar or salt. These are not random habits, they're biological whispers. When your body lacks certain nutrients, it tries to fix it by creating cravings, not for nutrients themselves, but for quick energy. That's why you crave junk when what you truly need is nutrition. Here's something most people don't realize: nutrient deficiency is often the first stage of disease. Long before your blood tests change, your body sends subtle warnings. Headaches, anxiety, fatigue, hormonal imbalance, poor memory, these are not isolated issues. They're all connected through biochemistry. When the body can't access the raw materials it needs, systems begin to fail one by one. According to the World Health Organization, over 2 billion people worldwide suffer from some form of micronutrient deficiency. Iron deficiency is the most common, but deficiencies in vitamin D, B12, zinc, and magnesium are rising too. The sad truth? Many of us don't even know we're deficient until our health starts declining. When was the last time you truly listened to your body? Not your thoughts, not your cravings, but your body's sensations. That heaviness in your limbs, that constant fatigue, that dry skin, they're all communication. Once you start paying attention, you'll notice the patterns. Fatigue after eating might mean poor nutrient absorption. Dull hair might mean a lack of protein or zinc. Trouble focusing might signal a vitamin B deficiency. Now that we understand why nutrients matter, let's explore one of the biggest categories: vitamins. These are the tiny molecules that keep your cells alive and thriving. A shortage in even one vitamin can create a domino effect in your body. Vitamins are organic compounds your body needs in small amounts to function properly. There are 13 essential vitamins, each one with its own role. Unlike fats or carbs, you can't store most of them for long. That's why your diet must continuously supply them. Let's start with vitamin A, the vitamin of vision and immunity. It helps maintain healthy eyesight, glowing skin, and strong immunity. A deficiency can lead to dry eyes, night blindness, acne, and delayed wound healing. You'll find vitamin A in carrots, sweet potatoes, liver, spinach, and eggs. Even mild deficiency can make your skin dull or cause recurring infections. Next, we have the vitamin B family: 8 essential vitamins that turn your food into energy, regulate your nervous system, and keep your brain sharp. Each B vitamin has a unique role, but together, they keep your metabolism alive. When you're low in B vitamins, you may feel constant fatigue, anxiety, mouth sores, or even tingling in your hands and feet. Your mind feels foggy, and your emotions unstable. Deficiency in B vitamins is one of the most common causes of low energy today, especially in vegetarians or those under chronic stress. Vitamin C is your body's repair specialist. It boosts immunity, heals wounds, and supports collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. When you lack vitamin C, your body weakens silently, gums bleed, wounds heal slowly, and you may bruise easily. Vitamin C also helps you absorb iron, making it vital if you often feel anemic or tired. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but it's more than that. It acts like a hormone, regulating calcium absorption, bone strength, and mood balance. A deficiency can cause bone pain, low immunity, depression, and even weight gain. And surprisingly, over 1 billion people worldwide are deficient, mostly due to indoor lifestyles. Just 15 minutes of early morning sun can make a big difference, but in cloudy regions or during rainy seasons, supplementation might be necessary. Vitamin E is your body's antioxidant warrior. It protects your cells from free radical damage, the kind that causes aging and inflammation. When vitamin E is low, your skin may appear dull, your muscles weaker, and your immunity compromised. Finally, vitamin K, the clotting and bone health vitamin. Without it, your body struggles to stop bleeding and maintain strong bones. Deficiency may show as easy bruising, bleeding gums, or weak bones. You'll find it mostly in green leafy vegetables, fermented foods, and olive oil. As you can see, each vitamin plays a vital role, and no supplement can replace real, whole food. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment.